Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to share my personal findings and analysis of 10 predominant stocks which have been recently bounced back from its low value. You might have known that the recent fall in the market, but even though the market had a great fall in the market in the recent times, but these stocks had a quick bounce back. So these are the 10 stocks. So before going to discuss about these 10 stocks, because why I am stressing about these 10 stocks will make you to earn money in the July month series. I mean to say that the next month. So before going to these 10 stocks, I would like to express a few points about the super fans. There are two kinds of super fans trading tips platform in WhatsApp we are operating. So one is the super fans option. So this is for those who want to make option trading with little bit money, little capital. See, the premium may be around 10 paise, 20 paise, 30 paise up to 90 paise. Such a stock option trading tips with the entry and target will be given in WhatsApp in live market. Along with this, we also give low budget option trading tips with the entry and target. Low budget option trading tips is nothing but to take one lot, a capital of a little money of 500 rupees or 1000 rupees, sometimes 2000 rupees. It's enough to take one lot. Such kind of low priced option trading tips will also be given in this plan. And along with this, there is a call in equity. It's known as penny stock in equity for long-term wealth making. The stock prices, equity stock prices ranging from 5 paise to 20 rupees will be recommended. This will be given then and there, not daily, then and there. So these three will come as a package. The subscription to join this super fans option is 7,999 per month, 7,999 per month. You can remit subscription either by GPay or PhonePe or Amazon Pay or Paytm. Then you can join immediately. This is about option trading. And another super fan group is for equity. This is for those who want to take risk-free trading. I mean to say that with a sufficient amount of capital, but the people they don't want to take a risk at all. So for such kind of people, we give trading tips in equity with entry and target. So in this group also we also give some penny level equity tips. I mean to say that penny stock and equity for long-term wealth making. So the subscription to join the super fans equity is also 7,999 per month, 7,999 per month. So you can remit the subscription the same way, then join immediately. Now coming to this particular video, you see here we identified 10 stocks which bounced back recently, and today I mean to say that the video on which I am recording. The first group is the Adani group. Though there are so many negative parameters, so many negative news about the Adani group, these stocks, Adani Ports and Chess and Adani Enterprises, Adani Green and Adani Transmissions, lovely they bounced back. So I am damn sure the Adani Ports and Chess and Adani Enterprises will give high trading opportunity for traders in the month of July. I mean to say July month series. But today and yesterday, this Adani Ports is Adani Ports and Adani Ports, particularly Adani Port, was kept in ban period. Never mind. Let us focus on the July month series. So I am eagerly waiting to make money with Adani Ports and Adani Enterprises in the month of July month series. And another group is Bajaj Group, the famous Bajaj Group. Bajaj Group, the Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, both stocks have bounced back recently. So I am also waiting for these two stocks in the month of July month series, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, particularly option is concerned. And another stock is UBL, United Breweries Limited. So UBL has nicely bounced back. Then the another stock is the BHEL. So equity investors and equity traders can concentrate on BHEL because it made a nice bounce back. So in July month also this particular stock will give high trading opportunity both in equity as well as FNO, particularly option with micro level trading. The another stock is the Tata Steel. Repeatedly I am saying that Tata Steel is a two-way stock. On the same day a person can go with the call option, also go with the put option in Tata Steel. So Tata Steel is also a very highly tradable stock in the month of July. And last one is the Hind Unilever. So Hind Unilever is high beta stock. This stock has bounced back excellently today. The video on which I am recording, 21st of June. So this is about the bounce back stocks recently. So you can plan accordingly. You can note it down these 10 stocks. Put these 10 stocks in your trading watch window. Watch the levels, watch the stock movement and price movement. Then if at all you want, you can trade any of these 10 stocks. These are my personal opinions. I am not recommending, I am not spellbinding, I am not canvassing. So these are my personal views only for academic learning purpose. So it's better you want to make consistent profit in equity for safe trading, join Superfans equity. Or if you want to make a fabulous profit with a little bit capital, if you are willing to take risk, you can join Superfans options. So Remit subscription, join immediately, make consistent profits. Disclaimer apply. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.